Hello everyone. So if you want to manage the performance of your Samsung Galaxy, let's control the restart schedule with this guide. So first of all, let's open up the settings, of course. Swipe up, locate your settings, let's open them up. After that, we are to scroll down to the device gear or battery in device gear section. There it is. Let's choose it. Great. After that, let's locate our let's tap on the three dots at the top right corner, of course, and let's press automation. That's basically what we need. Great. Now simply tap on auto restart at times, and let's activate this option so our auto restart would be enabled like in general, first of all. So now you are simply to choose the schedule. So here is the conditions under what your phone will perform and restart. Only when the screen is off, the phone isn't being used, the battery is about 30%, and the SIM card lock is off. This is important. Keep that in mind, and we have videos on removing the SIM card lock. So now let's set up the schedule. I want it to be restarted, for example, every Friday, Thursday, and Monday. Let it be directly at midnight. Now simply press done, and basically that's it. Now the settings are enabled. If you want to disband this option, simply tap on this on the switch near on, and you are done. So I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.